खुद को प्रभु पे करके अर्पण, उजले उजले बन गए दर्पण। खुद को प्रभु पे करके अर्पण, उजले उजले बन गए दर्पण। अब तो हरदम ख्याल यही है, साथ तुम्हारे चलना ही है। दिल का अब संकल्प यही है। दिल का अब संकल्प यही है, बाबा तुम सा बनना ही है। साथ लिया है, हाथ लिया है, वादा पूरा करना ही है। बाबा तुम सा बनना ही है।
Om Shanti. Good morning, everyone. So, did you all hear what did the song say? We all have a determined thought that we will become equal to Baba, equal to the Father. And just to quickly revise what Baba said yesterday. So, Baba highlighted one aspect in which we need to become equal to Father Brahma, right? So, it was purity, in which Baba said it's very important to make the foundation of purity strong, especially purity in thoughts, purity in vision and attitude. And for this, Baba said, surrender two things. Does anyone remember what two things Baba mentioned? If you have love for the Father, so Baba said, out of love, surrender these two things. What to surrender?
Feelings and attitude.
It was arrogance and feeling insulted. That is abhiman or apaman, right? So Baba said these two things you can surrender because these are the two main reasons for waste thoughts. So I hope yesterday we stopped where Baba gave us a homework that open a new account in which there is no wastage, right? So we all took this homework. I hope you all checked your thoughts, whether you could remain free from waste. As Baba said, give your chart to Baba. To what extent you were able to surrender your waste thoughts, right? So let us continue today. Baba says, Bab Dada also has to use this body. Whether the body cooperates or not, Bab Dada has to make use of the body because he has love for the children. Right? Gulzar Dadi Ji's chariot was not keeping so well, but then Baba still used it. So Baba is saying that Bab Dada has to use it because he has love for the children. How would it be possible for so many souls to come with so much love and Baba not to have a conversation with them? So he has to make use of the body by force. Sometimes Baba has to use it by force. Acha, are all of you content? Are you all happy? Are you happy? You are content now that you have met the Father. Are you not? Now, together with the name of each zone, also raise your hands. So now we have different meetings of Bab Dada with different zones. So this is the special thing that Baba has such an elevated vision towards each and every one. When we listen to the different zones, we see that. So first one is Eastern Zone. How many have come approximately? So someone answered 550. So if you take away the two digits of 5 and 0, you are left with 5. And so the eastern zone has to attain victory over all 5. So it's 550. So Baba says if you remove the last two digits, it is just 5. So attain victory over all the 5 vices and claim number 1. Everyone applauded. Clap at the time of writing letters. So Baba is saying when you give such a chart to Baba, that time you should clap. You are number 1. In fact, the eastern zone is the first number of when Shiv Baba came. So in beginning, the same as the Father, what number will the eastern zone claim in surrendering everything out of love for the Father? Will you claim the number 1? You are not saying yes. Teachers speak. Even the students will have to do the same. The teachers who are responsible are saying yes. Teachers from the eastern zone stand up. Will all the teachers make a promise or do you have a question because you don't know what will happen? Just be careful. Everything is being recorded on TV. So you're raising your hands, you're making a promise to Baba. So Baba says everything is being recorded. Eastern zone has to claim number 1. Then the next one is Bombay and Maharashtra. Those from Maharashtra, raise your hands. Acha. Maharashtra and Bombay are both here. What will Bombay do? What will Maharashtra do? Those from Solapur and Jalgaon are also here. Now, no matter which pur you come from, so here it's written pure, but in Hindi it's actually pur, right? P-U-R, Solapur, Kolhapur. So Baba says, no matter which pur you come from, Bab Dada says, you have to be complete, that is Sampurna. So Baba says, koi bhi pur ho, lekin Sampurna banna hai. Not to be those Solapur, but to be Sola Sampurna. So Baba says, don't remember which pur it is, but remember that you have to become Sola Kala Sampurna. That is 16 celestial degrees complete. Whether you are from Kolhapur or Solapur, you should remember that you are from Pur, but you just have to add the word Sampurna before it. Is this okay for those from Solapur? These are the teachers. Acha. Teachers from Solapur, raise your hands. What will happen now? Will it be Solapur or Sola Sampurna? Do you have this courage or will you say that you are still young teachers? Little ones are equal to God. Do you understand? Jalgaon and Udgir, what will those from Jalgaon do? So for Jalgaon, Baba says, finish your waste thoughts in Jal, that is water. You will finish them completely. Right? Pani mein baha do. Everything is completely finished in water. Those from Jalgaon stand up. These are the teachers from Jalgaon. Acha, what will you do? You will finish all your waste thoughts in the flood. Do not bring about the other flood, but finish these in the flood, so that not a single sinful thought remains. So Baba says, just finish all your sinful or waste thoughts in the flood, in water. Sometimes when a flood takes place somewhere, not a single sign remains, right? There's so much destruction that nothing remains. So similarly, Baba is saying, finish your waste thoughts so that not even a trace of it remains. In the same way, you have to finish these waste thoughts. Is this okay? Acha, what will those from Bombay do? Nowadays, huge fireworks have been invented. You must have seen them at Diwali. They ignite so many fireworks at the same time that a whole line is finished in one go. right? You must have seen one strike and the entire line of the firework burns. So, so those from Bombay should strike a match to one line of waste thoughts so that all waste thoughts are finished. Right? You don't have to work separately for different thoughts. Baba says just one strike, one matchstick to one line of waste thoughts, and all the waste thoughts are finished. Teachers from Bombay stand up. Acha, you go to have a vision of all the goddesses, and today you are having a vision of the goddesses, the teachers. Acha, you have the matchstick, do you not? It is a very powerful matchstick. Or will the fire go out as soon as you ignite it? Right? So, which matchstick do you need to use to burn or to ignite the waste thoughts? With the matchstick of determined thought. Everything will be finished one after another. Everyone will be happy that everything is finished. Acha. So now Baba is meeting the Tamil Nadu zone. Those from Tamil Nadu, raise your hands. Acha. You are sitting at the back. You are at the back because of the headphones. What will those from Tamil Nadu do? So, what is Tamil Nadu known for? Baba says very good dances are performed in Tamil Nadu. When any of the dadis go there, very good dances are performed. In the scriptures, Shankar has been portrayed as carrying out destruction whilst dancing. Have you ever heard this? For Shankar, it is said that he destroyed everything whilst dancing. Right? Tandav Nritya is known for it, right? He did that dance and everything was destroyed. So Baba says, what will Tamil Nadu do whilst dancing? Destroy all obstacles. Just as you have a variety of poses in a dance, in the same way, finish every sinful thought so clearly that not even its name or trace remains. Is this okay? Teachers from Tamil Nadu, stand up. Acha, so many have come. Many have come from Tamil Nadu. Even the teachers have a chance of meeting Baba. Generally, Bab Dada has a lot of love for the teachers. You clapped for this. But after the word generally, there's also the word like that. मैंने जैसे वैसे कहते हैं ना, तो बाबा ने कहा कि वैसे तो बाबा का बहुत प्यार है लेकिन ऐसे करना है. So what to do? Generally, Bab Dada looks at the teachers with absolutely clear, equal vision, that they are equal to the Father, that they are instruments. However, when they perform a wrong type of dance, one that isn't liked by anyone, when someone performs a dance that isn't good, everyone says, stop it, stop it. When you don't like any performance, so Baba says everyone will say that stop this dance. So when the teachers do something that is not right, then Bab Dada and especially Brahma Baba has to lower his eyes. So the teacher should pay that much attention. Right? So Baba is just instrument are the teachers, but Baba is talking to everyone. So Baba says not to do anything that Baba has to lower his eyes. So you have a very good title of being a teacher, and you also very quickly put on the badge. But to be a teacher means to be equal to the father. Bab Dada and especially Brahma Baba has a lot of love from the heart, but sometimes he has to lower his eyes. So do not do anything like that. Right? So my actions, my deeds should be such that Baba is proud to see me. Baba is happy to see me, right? But it is good that Tamil Nadu have brought about very good expansion. And one speciality is that you create your own hands and also increase service at the same time. This is something very good also. You have to do both. create your own hands and also increase service. Then Andhra Pradesh zone is there. In Andhra Pradesh, the Brahmin family have had one speciality of having created the special soul Raju. So there was this brother, KVK Raju Bhai. He was a very well-known personality. He was the director of Nagarjuna Fertilizers there. And if I'm not wrong, he was an instrument to initiate the SML services, So Baba is remembering Rajubai, who alone became an example and served the VIPs and IPs and made them samples. A lot of service takes place, but he maintained courage and created an example. And anyway, there are many VIPs and IPs in Andhra. Even if they go away to other places, there are many VIPs and IPs from Andhra all over the place. So just as Andhra created an example, in the same way, Andhra has to become an example in destroying sinful thoughts. So Baba is carrying forward the main essence of the Murli, even with whilst meeting with the zones, right? So Baba said, no, surrender your waste thoughts. So Baba is saying Andhra has to become an example in destroying sinful thoughts. Are you ready for this? Teachers from Andhra, stand up. Acha, there are many teachers. It is good. Now you will also show examples. Just look at how such a good example emerged, Raju Bhai. And he's also playing a very good part in the advance party. So you will do this, will you not? There shouldn't be any conflict. All conflict should now be finished. The flag of victory should be hoisted at every center. Bap Dada shouldn't have to hear that because there was a conflict at a particular center, such and such a Dadi was sent there. If there's any conflict, any problems, so Dadis had to go to resolve. So Baba said, Baba shouldn't hear such news. It shouldn't be like this. The teachers sometimes do such things now and then. The teachers play such games. Now all of that should be finished. Only when the teachers first finish, it will be the vibrations then spread. Vibrations of no more conflict will then spread. There are very subtle vibrations. You would think that one person has done this. So how would everyone know anyway? So this is very important what Baba says. If you think that only one person is doing, or if it is only in the thoughts, so how would others know anyway? But Baba says vibrations are very subtle. However, vibrations are such that even if no one knows about something, one doesn't just do one thing wrong, but one spoils the vibrations of all of Baba's centers. So the vibrations that spread into the atmosphere, right? Baba says, no, vibrations se vayumandal banta hai. So even if one person does it, it spoils the atmosphere of the center. So each teacher has this much responsibility. It is very good to wear a badge. You also like wearing it. When all of you are sitting together, each one wearing a similar badge, it feels good. However, you have to maintain the honor of the badge. Acha, right? If you are in uniform, especially if you're wearing a BK uniform, white dress with the badge on it, and if your actions are such that that would defame. So Baba says, it shouldn't be that. You should maintain the honor of the badge. Acha. The next is the Karnataka zone. Acha, those from Bangalore have come. The speciality of Bangalore is that Mother Saraswati Jagdamba did a lot of service in Bangalore and sowed many seeds. You all must have heard experiences in the month of June. Mama did a lot of service, right, in Bangalore. She did that in Bombay and in Bangalore. So those from Bombay and Bangalore have to constantly give the fruit of the seeds sown by Mother Jagdamba. And in fact, the special serviceable souls in Bangalore are the fruit of the sustenance given by Jagdamba. Therefore, those from Bangalore have to glorify the name of Jagdamba. Just as Jagdamba, having becoming perfect, has now become an instrument to do service through a different name and form. In fact, the atmosphere in Bangalore is still a little better than in other places, and there is also a lot of service there. Now it is the duty of Bangalore to make service in Bangalore completely free from any waste thoughts. Do you understand? Teachers of Bangalore, stand up. It is good. You have to make it free from obstacles. Do you not? So service should be free from obstacles. Or do you enjoy a little conflict? So Bangalore definitely has to give the fruit of the number one sustenance received from Mother Jagdamba. Do you understand? Acha. Students of Bangalore, raise your hands. All those from Karnataka. You're sitting at the back. Acha. Then the next zone, Baba is meeting with Rajasthan. Acha. What will Rajasthan do? For a long time, Bab Dada has been telling Rajasthan to do a particular service, but as yet it hasn't been done. You should bring the administration of Rajasthan very close. Whether it is the minister of the or the secretary, Rajasthan should at least perform this wonder once. Take whoever's help you need to. Everyone will give their cooperation. However, you should bring a group here of 20 to 25 special officers of the government of Rajasthan, because Rajasthan is able to influence the whole of India just as the service in Delhi would glorify your name in the whole world. Whether they become students or not doesn't matter, but a group of so many from Rajasthan should come here together so that the intellects of the junior officers here also open up. Right? So if any big personality or famous personality or the ministers, Baba says, if they come here, then the officers in Abu, they would also have, their intellect would open up. The Prime Minister of Mauritius just visited recently. And what about the Ministry of Rajasthan? So then the Prime Minister of Mauritius had visited, he had come to Gyan Sarovar that time. So Baba says, what will Rajasthan do? So Rajasthan has to do this service in one way or another. Take help from whomsoever you want, but create such a group. Wherever you ask, you will receive help from there. You will receive help, will you not? Once the eyes of those from Abu open, those same officers should give a lecture here and relate their own experience so that those of Abu can see for themselves. Otherwise, on the one hand, you continue to serve others, and on the other hand, those from Abu laugh at you. So Rajasthan has to fulfill this one desire of Bapdada. Is it difficult? What does this one say? The sister from Rajasthan, so Baba was asking. Then you will distribute sweet balls of toli here. Whoever happens to be here, he will be given a sweet ball of toli in his mouth. In fact, it should happen like that. Whether it is Udaipur, Jaipur, etc., wherever the work is increasing, the people should be very cooperative. Even now, the officers of Delhi are encouraging the officers of Rajasthan and putting them right. The officers there have an absolutely stone intellect and they don't even stir a little. So now perform some wonder. Those from Abu should also make plans. Babdada feels that until those from Abu say that this is something good, whether through the newspapers or through their words. The result of service here will remain hidden. The result of service will remain hidden behind the curtains. It will not be revealed. So basically, Baba is saying that he has a hope, or his desire is that Rajasthan should serve the officers there, the ministry there, so that the local officers, the junior officers, they become cooperative in Abu. So the important people of Rajasthan will put the juniors here in their place. In a godly task, if junior officers create obstacles, that is just like an ant. So now something should stir, show some wonders, create plans. You should at one time serve these 3 to 4 places continuously. It shouldn't be that when you need their help, you run to them. And when your task is finished, you finish it there. So Baba always says this, right? To keep following up. एक बार program हो गया and you just leave them, no, but you should keep following them. In fact, Rajasthan has a lot of intoxication that the main headquarters are in Rajasthan. This is the fortune of Rajasthan. But now, at least the Brahmins have this intoxication. But now, with this intoxication, you have to perform this wonder. It shouldn't spread, it should spread everywhere that there is the conference in Rajasthan, that there are the yoga camps in Rajasthan. Then just see, all these businessmen will themselves ask to come to the functions. Acha, Rajasthan will perform this wonder. Rajasthan has the responsibility of the headquarters. You have a huge crown. All the students of Rajasthan, raise your hands. Acha. Pandas will also maintain courage and show some wonder. Will you not? Acha. The teachers of Rajasthan are sitting ahead of Bap Dada. Stand up. Let everyone see how many teachers there are. There are many of you teachers. Each teacher can catch hold of one IP. There are many teachers. Okay, if each one of you were to bring one, there would be a group of 20 to 25 at least. So I just remembered Dadi Prakash Mani, she would always say, each one bring one. So similarly, Baba is saying, if each one of you bring one, there would be a big group ready. The teachers are very good. Okay, so next is Baba meeting with Agra zone. What will those from Agra do? Acha. What are those from Agra doing? Those from Agra have also not performed any wonders. What wonder have you performed? It will happen or will it not? The Father's name is to be glorified in the entire world, is it not? But those who become instruments for this receive extra marks. Their status and their marks are increased according to the service each one does. Right? So this is for everyone. As you serve, so will be your status. For instance, if someone does ordinary service, but it is free from any obstacles, then because it is added in the account of service, they claim a number ahead of that of an ordinary king. So the more service you do, and that too Baba is saying free from any obstacles, then your number goes ahead. And moving forward in this way, they become part of the royal family of the world emperor. So you have to do this, do you not? So, Baba says this, it is good to become a member of the royal family in the golden age than to become a king in the silver age. So that is what Baba is saying here. It all depends on the service you do. Agra will also perform wonders. Bap Dada constantly has hope in all the children, and those lamps of hopes are constantly ignited. Each child is an ignited lamp of Bap Dada's hopes. So this is the point of self-respect that Baba is saying. Asha ke Deepak ho. So perform wonders, Acha. Those from Agra, raise your hands. Teachers of Agra, stand up. Now perform some wonders. We shall see how long you take to perform some wonders. Is this okay? Acha. Then Baba is talking to the double foreigners. What will the double foreigners do? You will perform double wonders. The speciality of the double foreigners is very good in that they cannot rest without doing any service. They don't enjoy themselves without this. They need a lot of service and they do it with a lot of zeal and enthusiasm. Even if they have very little time, even if they get tired, even if it is physical service, they still remain ever ready for doing service. What would you do if you were called for service? Would you remain seated where you were, or you would run for it? You would run to it. So the zeal and enthusiasm for doing service is the means of safety for you double foreigner souls. The service is the means of safety. Since you are engaged in service, you are safe from Maya. When Maya sees that you do not have any time, she runs away. Right? If you go to someone's office and you see that person is busy, so you'll go away, right? You'll think you'll come later on. So similarly, Baba says when Maya comes and sees that you are busy in service, so Maya will run away. And secondly, the second speciality Baba says, you check yourselves very well with great honesty in your efforts. And this honesty reaches Bap Dada. Bap Dada loves honesty. Right? It is said in Hindi, Sache Dil Par Sahab Razi. So Baba says Baba loves honesty and they check themselves with lot of honesty. And as a result of your honesty, you also receive special help from Bap Dada. Even if a weakness comes because of having love for the Father and for service, even this enables you to receive extra help for your courage. So himmate bache madade baap, right? So Baba says when you have this courage, Baba also gives you or you receive extra help from Baba. Do you understand? Do you understand? Raise your hands. Acha, there are souls from everywhere. Acha. Speaking to Brother Rick from Tampa, this one is Bab Dada's original jewel. And then Baba saw Nizar Bhai from Nairobi. He is like a moth on the flame. He cannot stay without stopping here. Nizar Bhai is the instrument in doing the Future of Power programs, right? It is good. Mauritius has also performed wonders because Mauritius has shown the example of a foreign VIP or IP coming to India by fixing a program from their own country. As Baba mentioned earlier, Prime Minister of Mauritius visited Madhuban. Mauritius has also performed wonders because you opened the door for the IPs and VIPs to come. Congratulations to those from Mauritius. Stand up those from Mauritius. You have performed a very good wonder. It is said big ones are great, but little ones are equal to God. Right? गायन है ना बड़े तो बड़े छोटे सुभान अल्लाह. So Baba says Saman Allah, like equal to God. So Mauritius is a small country, right? So Baba says Mauritius has proved themselves to be equal to God. It is very good. Congratulations. Acha. Then Baba is meeting Madhuban, Gyan Sarovar Hospital and Taleti. Each one should consider yourself to be personally included. Bab Dada will continue to come in Madhuban now anyway. So each one, whether from Madhuban, from Double Madhuban, or any sub-center or a Gita Patshala, all of you are receiving love and remembrance from Bap Dada and will continue to receive them. The next is, I think this is the last zone. Yeah, Baba is meeting the Nepal zone. Nepal has been forgotten. So the significance of forgetting Nepal is that you are the incognito Maharathis. So we forgot to mention Nepal's name. That is why the name was taken at the end. But Baba says, what is the significance of this? That you are incognito Maharathis. You are the secret agents. Nepal is constantly loved by Bap Dada. Serving the government there has been very easy and it has been done well, and it will continue to be so. Eventually, the king of Nepal also has to come here. Acha, you are doing good service. Those from Nepal, raise your hand. Very good. Acha. The teachers of Nepal, stand up. You teachers are very courageous. Oh, Rajben, Baba is talking to Rajben then. You took a new birth and gave the proof in service. A new birth as in she had some test papers of her body and then she recovered. So Baba says you took a new birth and you gave the proof in service. Give Sheila special love from Baba. Acha. To the souls in all directions who are the embodiment of. So now Baba, through this blessing, Baba is summarizing the entire Murli that we heard yesterday and today. So Baba says, to the souls in all directions who are the embodiment of multi-million fold love, to the special souls who constantly make themselves free from all obstacles, to those souls who constantly keep themselves absorbed in the love of the Father and are doing service that is free from obstacles, to all the souls who constantly surrender themselves out of love for the Father, Bab Dada's love, remembrance, and namaste. So we children also say love, remembrance, and namaste to Bab Dada. Okay, should I read ahead, Rakhi Ben? It's only Baba meeting to with the Dadis. So I think we can leave this part and stop here. Hmm? Is that okay?
Yes, sister. It's okay.
Yeah, okay, fine. So let's pause for a minute here and try to absorb what Baba said. Then later on we can share. Om Shanti. Now you all can share. Yes, would anyone like to share? Shall I ask questions?
Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
For me, the takeaway from this is that Baba is actually encouraging the teachers from all the centers. You hoist your flag, be victorious. Um, what What is also very important to note here is that he says that Maya will never come if you're very busy. And you can, when you're like from Tamil Nadu, he said, if you're dancing, dance away the obstacles. So basically, remaining involved with whatever you're doing with purity and not allowing Maya to come next to you by staying busy is my biggest takeaway from today's Murli. Om Shanti.
Yes, very nice, sister. Baba said, no, if you're engaged in service, Maya will see that you're busy and she will run away. If you're free, then mm, you have to host Maya then. Yes, sister Sandhya Ben.
Om Shanti sister.
Yeah.
I just loved the way Baba has pointed out to the people in Jalgaon and about their qualities. Like he says to the people over Jalgaon that just finish your waste thoughts in water. Do not bring other flood, but just finish it in this water. I like that. So, and even from Bombay, just ignite it with one matchstick, one in one go. All the waste thoughts should be ignited in just one matchstick at a go. Om Shanti.
Yes, true. That was also something new for me, what Baba said to Jalgaon. Mm.
Om
So,
Shanti sister.
yeah,
Yeah, I felt Baba gives in such a lovely capsule early in the morning. It seems it's so easy to pop in such capsules like Harpreet sister was saying, dancing out all obstacles, and Sandhya sister also. So I feel it seems so tempting, so delicious, like you have it and it has come in your system. So my interesting point was become Subhanallah, like Baba said, become Bap Saman.
yeah,
Uh, s- I like that. Shiva Saman. So
yes,
I love that phrase, and I sincerely wish each of us we have so much of enthusiasm and so much of motivation. It seems it has come. It should really come. My sincerest wishes for everyone. For myself first. Thank you.
yes, sister.
Om Shanti sister. I just have one clarification. Like in yesterday's Murli, there was a point like purity in vision and attitude is important, right?
Yes,
So, and Baba also, like I heard, like I'm new, like just 1 year old to this university. I heard like on from online classes and all, we are not supposed to watch movies or anything like that. But still, that this thing is still there. We cannot. I mean, I watch a serial called Anupama serial, which is Maya. So I just loved her character, Anupama. And I just keep thinking she's just an embodiment of patience, love. She's an embodiment of love. And there's so many things to learn from that good entrepreneur. So is this right? So we shouldn't watch movies? Like what I exactly? Because we take so many good points from them, when it comes to virtues and vices, we take away only the virtues from. I just need some clarification about this. Is
yes,
it
sister.
wrong to?
As we discussed yesterday, regarding sports, there's so much to learn from sports, but it is important that how much time you invest in it. So if you're watching something good, that's okay. And in fact, you yourself mentioned that you're taking so many good qualities from that character. So that's good, right? But then, as we talked yesterday, you have to be detached and then watch. Hmm? And takes what are you taking from it? That is important then. But if it's affecting your mind, your stage, your reactions or something like that, then you're not supposed to watch. And yes, Baba says that you don't have to watch movies because Baba gives Brahma Baba's example, when Brahma Baba was in his Lokik life as Dada Lekhraj, he had he had decided for his life that he will not get married and he'll have a pure life. But then once he saw this movie, Ek Hasina, I don't know what was the name. I'm not able to recall that. But then Baba saw this movie, Dada Lekhraj, and after he saw that movie, he married. So that is why Baba says, these movies influence a lot. And nowadays, majority of the serials or movies are all, like provoking kind of. They stimulate anger, they stimulate feelings of revenge and all those things, right? So that is why Baba says you're not supposed to watch. But as you said, if you're watching something good and that's inspiring you, you're taking some good qualities, then that's good, I think.
Okay, thank you.
But as I said, time, how much you give for that. Some people keep on watching for hours and hours, and they don't even realize how much time they're investing in that. So then that's not right, according to Srimad.
Okay, thank you.
Anyone else? Okay. So Baba talks to different zones, but it is actually the points of knowledge are for everyone, right? So as Baba said, finish the waste thoughts just with one matchstick of determined thought. And then Baba said, put it in water, wash away, so that no trace of it remains. Okay. So the main essence of the entire Murli is purity, and that too purity in thoughts, because Baba said it is the foundation. Only when there is purity in your thoughts, you will have purity in your vision, attitude, and actions and relationships. So keep a check on your thoughts again throughout the day. And if a waste thought comes, Baba said, no, be courageous and just finish it in one go. And when you're courageous, you'll receive Baba's help also. Right?
Om Shanti sister.
Yeah, Om Shanti.
Um, Today Baba addressed the teachers from Solapur.
Yeah.
So it is quite very close to me because I belong to Solapur.
Okay.
And Baba says that you have to become Sola Sampurna,
Yeah.
to have that courage. That's very important. And don't feel that you're little ones or it means that you're very young. Those who are still young for this gyan, they should don't feel that they are very young and they can't do, but they are equal to Baba. They're very close to Baba.
Yeah.
That was very good feeling for me, elevating. Thank you, Baba, relating me. Om Shanti.
Yes, Baba is watching you all, right? So you feel that, no, Baba is watching you.
Yes,
Right?
yes.
Baba said the new ones, the younger ones are equal to God.
Yeah.
So that's so nice of Baba, no? Baba has such an elevated vision towards each and every one.
Sister,
Yeah.
Baba had also mentioned about that Nizar Bai is
Yeah.
like a moth on the flame. What
Yeah.
does it like? I didn't moth on the flame. How
It
does
is
he
like
correlate?
Shama और परवाना कहते हैं ना हिंदी में. Flame is Shama, that is Shiv Baba, and moth is Parvana. If you see on Diwali or when there's some light in the evening, some small insects, they come on that lamp and they die. If you see in the morning, they're just lying dead. तो बाबा कहते हैं ऐसा परवाना बनना है जो पूरा समर्पण हो जाओ क्षमा पर. There are some insects, they just take a turn and then they go away. तो बाबा कहते हैं ऐसा नहीं, आए फेरा लगाए और चले गए, ऐसा नहीं. क्षमा के ऊपर फिदा होना है.
Is it Shama?
Shama, Shama means the flame. That is the flame.
Okay.
You must have heard that song, no? महफिल में जल उठी क्षमा परवानों के लिए. So Shama is basically light, the flame.
Okay.
So here Baba says Shiv Baba.
Shiv Baba is
Shiv
Shama
Baba is
and
Shama.
Parvana. Yeah, we children of God are Parvanes.
We are the moth. So we need to see what kind of a moth I am. Completely. Yeah. I have to surrender completely to Baba. So the Murli also said this, right? Out of love for the Father, surrender yourself to the Father. Surrender your weaknesses to the Father. Okay, thank you everyone. Let's meditate now. Let's remember Baba. Yeah, Rakhi Ben, you want to say something? All right, shall we remember Baba now?
Yes, sister. I think Rakiban is not audible.
Yeah, we're not able to hear. Okay, fine.
Okay.
Om Shanti. Sit back straight in silence. Within a second, stabilize yourself on the seat of self-respect that I am a supremely pure soul. I am the child of the ocean of purity. See yourself as a shining star in the center of the forehead. Gradually detach yourself and fly up above to the supreme abode, the land of light, the land of absolute silence. The land where there is purity all around. I connect my mind and intellect with the ocean of purity and absorb his rays of light. I have love for Baba, and therefore I make efforts to become equal to my beloved. I promise to practice purity in my thoughts, vision, attitude, actions, and relationships. I experience a constant flow of pure energy and keep absorbing Baba's love, Baba's purity. With an honest heart, I surrender myself completely to Baba. And in return, I receive Baba's love, Baba's support, Baba's blessings. My honesty pleases Baba. Baba is happy to see me. So throughout the day, my actions, my vibrations will glorify my Father. Because I have purity and honesty within me. Om Shanti.
Om Shanti. Thank you, Shamila Ben.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you,
Sister.
everyone. See
Om
you
Shanti.
tomorrow at 5:30 a.m.